This is the elevator Community Health Net in Erie, Pennsylvania. Look at this. It's an old, sadly the room has old fixtures from 1960 according to the record. Oh wow, J.L. Blackburns, I think that's what it is. Hands off. Basement, figure it out. Oh, this is cool. I think basement's locked. 2. Wall. Opens right into a waiting room. Basic carpeted cabinet tray lighting is probably installed by Seelar or something like that, if I were to guess. There's Schindler did All Town 13. That sounds like a new motor. That's probably what they did then. Let's turn the fan back on. Here we got 1. Pretty neat elevator. I wasn't sure if it was a mod or if it was. Look at those columns. I don't know if those are painted. I think those might be the same ones as in Banksville. Some weird Arrow Hart buttons or something they're closing. That's gonna go.